Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. This is Saloni and welcome back to my channel. So since I was a bit inactive here because my exams were going on and Christmas is around the corner, so I thought I'll do a Christmas makeup look. It's very easy. You just need 2 or 3 eyeshadow for this looks, like basic eyeshadows, and you should be good to go. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to start prepping my skin, and for that I'm going to use this Patanjali aloe vera gel. It works as a great primer. Like, it works amazing for me. So and for lips I'm going to use this lip balm by Nivea, and we have to prep our lips too. So first I'm going to start by concealing my face, and for that I'm going to use this Elegant Pro Conceal, and I'm in the shade Nude. I'm going to apply this concealer on the important areas of my face, that is under eyes, my forehead, my nose. I have a bit of dark skin here, so our concealer is done, and now I'm gonna take this foundation by Simera, and I'm in the shade Natural Shell. Also, I'm using the same beauty blender to apply the foundation. Okay, so I feel our base is done, and I'm not gonna contour today because I don't feel like, so I'll directly bake my face, and that will make a difference, so you will see. So yeah. Okay, so we'll let this sit for around 30 seconds, and तब तक we'll do our brows. And for brows I'm going to use this pencil जो ख़त्म होने आई है, but works fine for me. So yeah, let's just do our brows. And also I'm not gonna fill this part of my brows because my brows are already very bushy, and people keep telling me that fill your brows very naturally, they don't look natural, but I can't do anything. My brows are naturally very bushy, so yeah. Okay, so we'll clean the powder first, and then we'll clean our brows. Okay, so our base is done too, and now I'm gonna take the same concealer, and I'm not gonna take any product. Like, जो product applicator पे है मैं वही use करूँगी to clean my brows, and yeah. For blush I'm gonna use this shade and this shade right here, and yeah. Now for this thing I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer on my beauty blender, and I'm not gonna apply directly on my face. I'll just pat some product on the back of my hand, and I'll just yeah. So our blush is done too. Okay, so I did my one eye off camera and I'm gonna do the other eye for you guys. So yeah, let's get started. And this is the look that we are gonna do. That is heavy glam look. And since my outfit is gonna be very simple, so I thought I'll do a glam look. Okay, so first I'll start by taking this red shade right here, and I'll fill that red shade all over my crease. And it's very simple. You just need 2 eyeshadow for this looks, and I'll just go in circular motion. Try not to keep any harsh edges like this. I'll try to blend this too in the outward direction like so. And so now we'll cut our crease, and for that we are gonna use this concealer, the same concealer, and I'm not gonna take any extra product. I'll just take whatever is left on the applicator and I'll cut my, so I got a call in between, and I've cut my crease right here as you all can see, and I'll just try to blend it with my fingers. Yeah, and I'll take the same red shade and अभी मैं ये area में करूँगी, like the second half of my lid. I'll just so now I'll take a flat brush and I'm gonna take this glittery shade right here, and this glittery shade is a mix of brown and red, so I thought it will be perfect for this look. And I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna dab the brush, and I'm not gonna apply like this. I'm just gonna dab the brush like so. If you want, you all can use your fingers too, like just take some product on your fingers and just dab. Now I'm gonna take the same red shade and I'm gonna fill my lower lash line. And मैं पूरा end तक नहीं लेके जा रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ half तक ही blend कर दूँगी. Yeah, that's it for our eyeshadow and we are done. And now I'm gonna take this liner, this Lakme Insta liner, my all time favorite. And ये बार हम मोटी सी wing eyeliner नहीं करेंगे because our eyeshadow is the main focus. So हमें eyeliner से उसको छुपाना नहीं है, पतला सा wing eyeliner करेंगे ऐसा. And yeah, just go slow, you don't wanna ruin your eyeshadow, so आराम से, have patience. And okay, so eyeliner is done, nice and easy. Okay, so for highlighter, and I'm gonna take the same shade right here and highlight my nose. You just have to create an exclamatory mark like this line and this dot, and अपना nose का highlighting हो गया. I'll take some and मुझे हाइलाइटर सिर्फ नोज पे पसंद है, चीक्स पे इतना नहीं पसंद है, तो मैं काफ़ी कम लगाती हूँ चीक्स पे. एंड आई ऑल्सो अप्लाई सम ऑन माई फोरहेड, ऑल्सो ऑन माई क्यूपिड बो. एंड सम ऑन आवर chin. So as usual I forgot to press the record button, so मेरा lipstick लगाने वाला footage चला गया. And now quickly I'll change into my outfit and get back to you guys. Okay, so I'm back and I'm wearing this nice off-white turtleneck top, and I've added this layered necklaces. My dad got this top for me from Manali or Shimla, I guess. It's almost impossible for me to wear this top in Mumbai because we don't have winters here, we only have monsoon and summer. So yeah, for the sake of video I'm wearing this top finally. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Do let me know if you like this look, and do let me know if you ever try this look. I would love to see your recreations. And yeah, like this video, comment down below, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye.